TV. What's going on? Why do they not go with boat, ship, etc.? Okay? So because only submarine goes under the water. Or submarine like this. Okay, let's go under the water. Okay. So here is submarine. It is capable to go under the water and move on the surface. Submarine. Submarine that goes under the water. Here is a camera. Small windows. What is this? This is boat. It is used to travel on. It is used to travel on water. It is smaller than the ship. Okay, and it's made from wood. Okay, it's made from wood, and that's smaller than the ship. This is sailboat. Just like it is relatively small than the boat. Sailboat is smaller than the boat, and wind help us to move forward. What is this? Do you know what is this? What is this? This is ship. Ship, a large sea-going boat. Okay, it is a big boat. It's like a big boat. Okay, it move on the sea. Okay. Do you know what is this? Yacht. What is this? Yacht. A large boat with a motor used for pleasure. Do you know what is this? Cargo. What is this? Is a ship which carries goods and material from one port to another. Here is a cargo that load the object and material and move one port to another. Okay? So you know what the water transport? They all are water transport. So like it and